When you make comparisons with other watches, it really does stand up. The Tudor Black Bay Chrono. My name is Paul Lewis. I'm the Senior Sales Professional for Burrells in Winchester. Released to the world in Basel World 2017. Tudor have always produced watches that are closely tied to the world of motorsport. This watch has been awarded the Petite Aiguille in the Grand Prix for Horology in Geneva in 2017 and 18. And of course the Black Bay family we think of as more the divers range, so this watch will really do both for you. Housed in this stainless steel case, we have the south-winding manufactured caliber MT5-813, which has a power reserve of a staggering 70 hours. Being a diver's watch to 200 meters water resistance, I really can't overemphasize enough just how much you've got in this movement at this price point. At 3 o'clock, you've got a 45-minute counter, and it's 45 minutes for a reason. In motorsport, when cars are getting set before a race, there'll often be 45 minutes of time to actually be getting themselves ready to go before the green lights will start and the race begins. So it just helps them to keep a track on where they are within that 45 minutes. And I think all that for the price of this watch is damned incredible. Diameter 41mm. For me, it's a perfect size. It suits most wrists. When you look at a watch, you've got to get it on your wrist to really see how it fits and feels. So don't get too hung up on just what the size says on the internet or in the catalogue. Screw down crown with the Tudor rose engraved and lacquered in black. Also has, of course, screw down pushers, so you need to be very aware of that when you are taking the watch into the water, that all the crowns are screwed down tightly. Engraved and lacquered on the bezel is the tachymetric scale. Sapphire crystal glass, of course, so incredibly scratch resistant. The versions we have here are the steel case with the steel riveted bracelet, and also have this very nice brown tan coloured strap. The look of this watch with the steel case, black dial, white markings, of course it's very, very classic because it works. This watch, with its in-house caliber movement and all the functions we've discussed, can be yours for an amazing £3,650. And for me, I don't think there's a chronograph dive watch on the market that can beat it. The Tudor Black Bay Chrono is just another success story of the Tudor brand, and are producing some watches I think that are really hard to beat. There's been some talk about it being a Tudor's sort of Daytona, but for me that isn't the case at all. I think, of course, all chronographs could be compared to a Daytona, but I think this one has enough of its own individual characteristics to make it uniquely Tudor, and for that reason I really would recommend that you come and have a look, and I'm sure you will agree. If you're interested in talking to us or would like to try this watch on, then you can visit us, or of course you can contact us via our website.